Now shifting focus, INDIA bloc leaders from Manipur are planning to protest at Jantar Mantar this afternoon. They are demanding the restoration of peace in the northeast state, which has witnessed an escalation in violence over the last few months. Beyond this, the opposition also wants the Prime Minister to visit Manipur. Now sources say that the TMC is not going to join the opposition's protest today. Last week, the TMC had also skipped multiple parliament meets of the INDIA bloc over a difference in floor strategy. This does lead to the big question, is there a massive breakup when we talk about the TMC and the INDIA bloc as a whole, considering that today will likely, and according to sources as what they've told Times Network, is that they are going to be skipping the INDIA bloc protest, which is going to be taking place at Jantar Mantar today. As we also mentioned, this is not the first time that the TMC is going to be skipping something which has been planned by the opposition bloc. Over the last few weeks itself, they have skipped multiple meets about Parliament. Now we're crossing over to my colleague Sabyasachi to bring us more on this. Sabyasachi, is it yet confirmed? Is the TMC going to be attending the meeting, the protest today or not?
See, as per the sources from within the Trinamool Congress, the TMC is likely to skip the protest which has been called by the India bloc at Jantar Mantar today at around 1:30 p.m. And mainly this protest has been convened by the Congress party. Now the Trinamool Congress from the beginning of the winter session has put its agenda clear that they are not going to be with the Congress party on their agenda. The Trinamool Congress and their Supremo Mamata Banerjee has very much made it clear that the Trinamool Congress would be focusing on the people-centric issues from the state of West Bengal and the state-centric issues. Now, Mamata Banerjee also have made it specifically clear that if given a chance, she would lead the India bloc. Now, this particular remark coming in from Mamata Banerjee also highlight the rift between the India bloc, because after this particular remark, we had seen that several other political parties, be it the Samajwadi Party, who have also said that Mamata Banerjee should be considered to lead the India bloc. Now, the Shiv Sena faction of Uddhav Thackeray, Sanjay Raut also said that Mamata Banerjee is a very important part of the India bloc, and if there is any rift within the India bloc, then the Shiv Sena leader would go to West Bengal and talk with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. On the other hand, the left front also said that the Congress needs self-reflection after their loss in the state of Haryana and in the state of Maharashtra. Now the left also blamed the Congress party of its big brother role in the India bloc, stating that the Congress party has failed to take the allies along with them in the state of Haryana and in the state of Maharashtra. Now the Samajwadi Party also highlighted that wherever the India bloc has suffered loss, the bloc was led by the Congress party and not by the other regional parties. So we have seen that continuously the regional parties are coming in front and asking for a change in leadership as far as the India bloc is concerned. Now, on the other hand, the Congress party and the leadership says that it is Rahul Gandhi only who should be the leader of the India bloc, as the Congress party also has hit back at the Trinamool Congress, stating that the Trinamool Congress had tried their luck in the state of Goa and in states in the northeastern part, but they have failed and they have lost their national party status and they have been confined to the state of West Bengal. Now, the only party remains which can take on the BJP heads-on is the Congress party, which have the largest member of parliament currently. So clearly the war of words within the India bloc is continuously increasing, whereas the Congress party-led India bloc has called for the protest today at Jantar Mantar. It will be very interesting to see whether the other political parties like the Trinamool Congress, the left or the Samajwadi Party decides to be part of this protest. But as far as the sources from the Trinamool Congress is concerned, the Trinamool Congress are clear on their agenda that the change in leadership is very much required and they won't be putting a stamp on the Congress agenda.
Sabyasachi, when we talk about what's happening within the INDIA bloc, do we know if there are going to be any meetings between the Congress and the TMC to possibly iron out differences?
Well, Mr. Sanjay Raut has said that if there are differences, then the Shiv Sena would go to West Bengal and speak with Mamta Banerjee to sort out the differences. After the Lok Sabha results has came out, we had seen there hardly any sort of meeting that had taken place at the national stage of the India Alliance parties. And that could be one of the reasons why there is so much of communication gap that is taking place within the political parties of the India bloc. See, when the India bloc was formed by the several political parties, in fact, that particular time also, whether it is Samajwadi Party, Akhilesh Yadav, or from TMC Mamta Banerjee, they were of the view that a third bloc should be created apart from the Congress party, a mixture of the regional parties to take on both the BJP and the Congress. And what major point the opposition parties, specifically the Trinamool Congress and the Samajwadi Party, is highlighting is wherever the India bloc has suffered massive defeat in these states, it was the Congress party which was leading from the front, whereas in the state of Jharkhand, Hemant Soren has successfully been able to defend Jharkhand, and in the state of West Bengal, Mamta Banerjee, be it the by-polls or the assembly polls or the Lok Sabha polls, have been successful in defeating the BJP. So that is the reason why now the voices from the regional parties are continuously increasing, whereas it is unsure where there would be any sort of meeting at the national stage of the India bloc amid this rift. But clearly we have to wait and see whether the Trinamool Congress, as per as the Samajwadi Party and the left front, decides to join in the protest which has been called by the Congress party.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you so much for joining us and getting us much more context when we talk about what's taking place within the bloc and the protests that are going to be taking place later today. Now,